Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Christmas cards. This was Mbali, Gorgeous Mbali, if you all don't know her. Gorgeous Mbali's Christmas card, and she was bashed for giving us such a Christmas card, a black and white especially. Mbali has this tendency of hiding this child, and I don't understand why, because now sonke sisukubanga ukuthi mhlambe ubejwana nobaba lo mntana just for imali. But asikho lapho. This is Vuyokazi's Christmas card. We all know she's been through a lot this year. Oh, I had to say umkhombile shomlonyaka lo. But then this is her Christmas card to us, and it was so beautiful. And then we have Umam Kiza on the line. After the rating thingy, guys, we all thought maybe it's a Christmas card, yeah, but this year. But then later on yesterday, they gave us the Christmas card, and it was so rich and beautiful. It was so beautiful. And then we have Utino and Sims Gamer, their beautiful little family. And then we have Omushindike. This was so wonderful. Omusha always wanted babies. And then we have a Boiti Tulo. This was a Christmas card to us. And then we had Moonchild, long time no see. And then we had Mfaziga Sifiso Ncwane, who did not invite Umntana kaSifiso Ncwane. I don't understand why, but it was beautiful. And then we have Nkosazana daughter, Ozenzana Nomayin, just to hide her baby from the public eye, which is a good thing. And then we have a sign Bruce who was assaulted by the boyfriend Akhe Hlanyayo, but this is nice. And then we have Zingumalo. Zingumalo is such a young lady, but this is nice. And then we have Nomcebo Ziwode and her family. We have Lasizwe. Um, this was his Christmas card to us, and it was nice. And then we have Connie Ferguson, which the Christmas card was. Then we have the twins. This was nice. And then we have Umusa and her wife, which we're all waiting for Mtwana. And then we have this couple. Hey, Felix Hlophe, but a relationship I get allocated. As children guys as in, and then you have Minnie Dlamini has been through a lot now. And this is on our sister's Christmas card. And then we have Itumeleng Kune and her wife, Namantana Baki. This was nice. We have DJ Tira, Umfazi wakhe, Namantana Baki, Nuputaki. It's nice. And then we had Rachel Kolisi, but I don't see Usia Kolisi. But let's hope they fix things and they enjoy their Christmas, Babonke, because now they've been through a lot. Then I'm closing with these two lovebirds. This is so beautiful, guys. Thank you for watching.